So over here, into this one, I'm going to do these. And these were those little pieces that I had showed you how to pull out with the sugar.
Oh yeah.
That one right down inside there. And if they go over, we need them to be in a group because that's how they grow together. They're generally not singles, they grow as a group. It's that whole safety thing, you know, everything. All right?
The buddy system.
Buddy system,
Yeah.
always. All right. Up and over. I'll put this one over here. All right. So they're going to look rather plain just sitting there by themselves. So what are we going to do to them? Of course, we're going to give them some greenery because the greenery just works well with everything. And if you find that you don't have pieces that are the right size, just break it down. There we go. But I'm going to use this little tall piece. I really seem to like the tall, thin ones. I just like the flow, the movement that they have. Give it there. Just give it a second to set. All right. If it starts to move on you, sometimes it's best to let it go because maybe it knows something better than we do when we place it there. So allow it to have that movement. Unless it gets real stubborn and it's like it's just going to really give you a hard time. All right, I have to turn that ever so slightly.
It's okay, we'll follow.
You'll follow? Okay,
Yeah,
great.
we're with you.
Because every now and then I have to turn something ever so slightly
It's all right.
to be able to kind of see it. I'm going to take a toothpick and a little bit of the Isomalt and I'm just going to place it right in there because I want that piece to be there. And that's going to allow it to stay right there. So I've got those. Now comes the fun part of placing our fish. We have all of these. We've made all of these. This little guy is finally ready to come on out of there. He's ready to swim. Where are we going to, wait, oh, I remember that piece. Hold on, I made that piece. Almost forgot about him.
Oh yeah.
And this little guy. All right, see the difference between these and these? So he's going to be really cool. And I might place him up and over off of this one or coming down. I'm not really sure. I'll hold on to him yet. But this little guy needs to go up and in here. Oh yeah. Sorry, I get excited at this point when it all starts to come together and you get to put the pieces in and it's like, yeah.
Well, now's the point.
Now
We weren't excited before. Now you get excited.
Now we get
I got you.
excited,
Okay.
yeah. I mean,
We need to
I
know.
get excited every time I play with Isomalt and it's just, I love doing it because it takes me to being, I always wanted to be able to do blown glasswork.
Yep.
And I love Dale Chihuly. And so now see how great that is? Now we are going to come into here and we're going to put a fish right in there. Which fish is my choice? Oh, so many of them. Help me out here.
That one.
This one? You like that one?
Oh yeah. How cool is that?
I know. I have to turn it. I'm sorry.
Isomalt. Glue.
Glue.
You have
exactly.
glue. You have glue.
I hit that hard. My apologies.
No. That's probably a request.
Oh,
'Cause,
okay.
you know,
there we go. Somebody wanted to know how
Right.
would you repair that?
How would you repair it? Exactly.
Glue. Dip and stick.
Glue.
Got to go with it. All right. So I'm actually liking this little guy myself. And I'm going to put him right there. All right. So he's going to be going through there. Look at that. Fun, 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 fun. All right. So then I have these little starfish. He's going to rest. He's going to kind of rest a little bit further up, I think. Yeah, he'll go there. Turning, turning, turning. I need seahorses to be coming up through here. I want a seahorse right down inside. And I just popped him right down inside there. I'm going to get a starfish and bring him up over here onto the edge. Now, when working with fondant and attaching pieces by Isomalt to them, if you decide you don't want that piece there after it has touched down, guess what? It is there. Otherwise, when you pull it away, you're pulling your fondant right along with you, so then you have repair work and stuff. So it'll all be good.